Rocky. Today we're playing Monkey Marathon. I'm Big Scary, level 13. And guess what happened? We just tested out Doom VR's mic.
Yeah, back!
Yeah, we're doing Monkey Marathon.
Oh, I don't have to be on this super thing no more.
I'm bad.
I'm actually scared. I'm actually peeing my pants. I'm actually peeing my pants.
You know it. Oh.
Okay, look at you just like.
It's been 2 weeks since I tied the knot. No!
I think the video's after me.
It's been 2 weeks since I tied the knot. Emo! I left him.
I woke up in emo world. I am the emo world. Help me!
Ah!
I woke up in the emo world. I woke up in the emo world.
Shush! Okay, Monkey Marathon. Starting.
Monkey dip.
No, when we see him go right here, then we'll run. Then we'll do Monkey Marathon.
I woke up a beautiful girl.
It's been 2 weeks since the time and even the hostess knows.
Hey, Macarena. Oh, God, is it Macarena?
Go!
I peed my pants right
This
now.
way!
Peter Griffin. Peter Griffin's going hee 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 ha. Grr.
Check over there. Check if he's there. I'll check over here. Bro, go that way.
Which
there?
way?
That way, and tell me if he's there.
No, he wasn't there.
Oh my God, bro. Yes, he was.
I'm back from the emo world.
Don't die.
Apparently he didn't die. Oh yeah, there's an eyeball.
We're doing Monkey Marathon.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
According to my calculations.
Give me a little kiss. Give me your kissy tissy. Give me your kissy tissy. Come here. Why are you backing up my teeth?
What is he doing?
My teeth was backing up for me.
Yeah.
Kissy tissy.
We recorded on this way.
Give me a tissy. I woke up in the emo world.
Stop.
In the emo.
Move.
Huh? I'm stuck.
I'm bouncing. 2 weeks since you died.
I woke up in the emo world.
How can he get here? No way Jit will get here.
No, G can't get up here. No, he can't. He can't. I woke up in the emo world.
Bro, stop. Guys, news break. Doom yours emo.
I'm not sorry. I'm sorry.
Guys, I'm not calling him Doom VR anymore. He's my cousin, so I'll just say.
No.
And you call me by my name. Not my original, not my real name. The name that we all call me.
No. Cake.
But we all
Why
know
did you
him
call
by
me Doom?
we all call him Alessandro. But guys, if you don't know,
But why did you? My Captain Dad, wait, bro, you're taking. I woke up in a normal world.
I kind of want to jump.
I'm creating my cat. Watch this. There's a thing after me. I woke up in a cool world.
Bro, he hates me.
I woke up in a great
Shut!
world.
I want to see if
Bye, I'm sorry.
you have to.
Wait, where'd my capybara go?
Since they're all the way across the map. There, minus.
Oh, hi. Where's my capybara?
Right there.
Capybara!
Guys, if you're wondering where we got that,
Is it a
check.
mouse? What is that?
Let me check. Let me check.
That looks like a capybara.
Come
Not a
on.
capybara, she just came out of. Hey, give me your Pikachu.
Okay, when he goes that way.
Give me
No,
your
stop!
cushy. Give me your cushy.
This way!
Capybara. Capybara.
Bro, we need to.
Let me get up there.
Guys, this is not really Monkey Marathon because we don't know what we're doing. We need to get more people. When you wall climb. Nope. He's coming. He's coming.
I know he's not. He's an emo guy! Watch it, I'm about to full dip it.
Bro, no you're not. Let me full dip.
It wasn't me.
I mean, what do you mean it wasn't you? You didn't full dip. He full dip. You didn't do anything. You're not a full dipper. I'm a bipper. You're a lipper.
I'm alive!
Nah.
I full dipped it. Capybara. He's about to pop out the corner.
I feel like he is. Bro, we need content. This is your fault.
How's it my fault? What did I do?
Guys, everybody just blame it on him in the comments. Just say, Doom VR, it's your fault.
What did I do?
Everybody
No
just
community.
say it. No, keep on saying it. I want to see you say it. Oh, yeah. Come to
Hey,
the thing.
you over there. If you're the one with the really
Go to the
expensive
stone.
sports car out there, there's no need to check on it. It's completely safe.
Go to the stone. Get out.
Should I go check?
Yeah, go. I'm gonna stick it up here. Bro, you said you would go check. Should we full dip? We got a full dip.
Yeah, but
You lead the way, bro. We need content. Bro, stop being a scaredy cat.
I'm scared.
Okay?
I'm scared. Wait.
He can't go out of that way. That's a dead end. Go ahead and check. I'm watching. I'm watching him. Go.
And how many FBI agents have you had to deal with?
Oh, hi, Mr.
Guys, this is not even a monkey marathon. It's just us running. But not even doing it in a good way.
I'm back!
It's been 2 weeks.
It's been 2 weeks. You look goofy as heck. You know, I want to know what you look like. Wait, go on.
He won't get me. Spider-Man in real life. I just shot that web. Now I can't. No, stop. Go the other way! It's been 2 weeks since I kinda not. Oh, guys, a knight right there. Nope, no one wait for him. Even the IRS knows that I'm about to explode.
The IRS knows that I'm about to explode.
Oh yeah, I'm moonwalking.
I am
in
Quincy,
your lap.
son of Quincy. Everything gets past my bow.
Nothing gets past my bow. Guys, we're talking
More
about
like
a game
everything
called
gets-
TD6.
TD6.
He's addicted to it.
Nothing gets past my capybara.
Bro, look at me.
You're going the easy way, bro. I'm going the hard
No,
way.
look at me. Look at me. What's up, bro?
Just living on the edge.
I literally.
Yes, sir. I'm living on the edge.
I don't want to go.
Santa's workshop pays pretty good, but it's nothing compared to my side hustles.
He's not there. I just felt like running.
Yo, should I dip it?
Yeah, dip it. Full dip. Bro, we need content. Go full dip.
Should I full dip to the rock?
No, full dip all the way, bro. I'm always behind you. I'm always behind you. I'll always
full
be.
dip with me. Full dip. You're good.
We need to go left. Go
This side?
now.
I wonder who you are. You are my enemy. You are my enemy.
Go, get out.
Wait, Jesus!
Statue.
Explode!
What do you mean? G.
You know you look like this is you. I wonder who you are. You are my enemy. You are my enemy.
Nope.
I wonder who you are.
Guys, we're gonna stop recording here because it's fun, but it's boring on Monkey Marathon because we're doing nothing. So yeah, guys. Hey, give me an outro, guys. We'll see you guys next time, and bye. Remember to. Where did he go? And remember, guys. Always don't eat cake. Bye.